Hello viewers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're always welcome. Please don't forget to click on the red button that says subscribe and also the bell sign to get notification whenever I upload a new video. So today's video will be something different, and guess what? Yeah, my baby just clocked 6 months and we are done with exclusive breastfeeding. Yes, like, it's not easy. Honestly, it's not easy to exclusively breastfeed a baby for 6 months. Yes, and I did it. Yay! So guys, now after exclusive, what's next? Obviously she has to start eating something different, so I want to introduce her to apple and banana. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to prepare apple and banana for your 6 months old baby. So guys, come with me, let's get to work. So guys, over here I have 1 apple and 1 banana. So I will start by peeling off the apple. Then when you are done peeling the apple, then you cut it into pieces, into small chunk, into small pieces. So guys, I'm done with cutting the apple. So it's time to cut the banana. So when you are done cutting the apple and the banana, you set it aside. Then get your pots. Pour a little water into the pots. Then put the already cut banana and the apple. Close it and cook for 5 minutes on a medium heat. So guys, it's 5 minutes gone and the apple and banana is ready. So I will turn off the heat, then transfer the already cooked apple and banana to my blender. So, time to blend. So guys, it's ready. The apple and banana is ready. So, can you see this? Yeah. This is it. So guys, this is it. So guys, as you can see, the apple and banana is ready, and I'm sure you must be wondering why I have to boil the apple and banana for 5 minutes before blending it. Yes, I think it's very important you do that. Yes, especially for babies that are not up to 12 months. It's good to boil their food. Whatever you want to give them, please make sure you boil it for like 5 minutes, especially when it comes to fruit, so that it will help in digestion. I think babies that are from 6 months to 12 months, their digestive system is not all that is not strong enough to digest any raw food. So that is why I have to boil this banana and apple before giving it to my baby. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Please also, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the red button and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Till we see next time. I love you guys. Mwah.